Hi guys, my name is Renato.
My name is Miranda Dicano.
Hi, I'm Francine and I'm your guide for this tour. So Mount Parawagan is located in Sitio Wawa, Rodriguez Rizal. Mount Parawagan is a hill in the Philippines. The prominence is 277 meters and 990 feet. There's a trail called Parawagan PK leading to the summit. Along the borders of Metro Manila, the municipality of Rodriguez, formerly known as Montalban, the quarry town of the province of Rizal. San Rafael, a barangay in Rodriguez, laid host to almost 45% of the municipality's crushing plants, located on the foothills of Mount Parawagan. San Rafael was the second biggest barangay in terms of land area. It was the third most populated and ranked second in terms of income generated in the entire town. And we will show you on what things to bring in Mount Parawagan if you're going to hike.
Tara, samahan niyo ako magayo sa mga dapat dalhin para sa hiking. Unang-una ay bag. Dito natin nilagay ang mga gagamitin natin sa hiking. Ang halawa, mga damit para kung sakaling gusto natin magpalit, meron tayo pampalit. Pangatlo, pagkain para hindi tayo magutumin kung sa hiking. Tapos, mga first aid kit, mga alcohol, band-aid, grasa, betadine para kung sakaling masugatan tayo, pwede natin takpan agad at hindi ma-infection. Flashlight in case of emergency. Pag sobrang dilim na sa daan, pwede na natin ito gamitin para makita natin yung mga madadaanan natin. Tapos, lastly, lubid. Ito ang pinaka-importante sa lahat kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin pagtali sa mga puno kung sakaling gusto mong umakyat sa bundok. And like,
Representing 10 tips and safety measures for hiking. Number 1. Plan ahead. Research the trail, check the weather, and inform someone about your plans. Number 2. Dress appropriately. Wear layers, star-day footwear, and bring rain gear if needed. Number 3. Carry essential gear. Bring a map, compass, first aid kit, water, snack, and flashlight. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your hike. Number 5. Pace yourself. Start at a comfortable pace and take breaks when needed. Number 6. Stay on the trail. Stick to designated paths to avoid getting lost or damaging the environment. Number 7. Be aware of wildlife. Keep safe distance and never feed or approach animals. Number 8. Leave no trace. Pack out your trash and minimize your impact on nature. Number 9. Be mindful of weather conditions. Check the forecast and avoid hiking in storms or extreme weather. And last, number 10. Hike with a buddy. It's safer to hike with a companion or let someone know your plans if hiking alone.